In today's tech-driven world, mastering programming languages like C can open doors to numerous career opportunities. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, enhancing your skills is crucial. C programming is known for its foundational role in computer science and software development. Its versatility and deep-rooted importance make it a popular subject for learners and professionals alike. Online training in C language offers flexibility and depth. You can learn at your own pace, fitting your studies around your schedule, making it easier to balance with other commitments. Online education in programming had humble beginnings with basic tutorials and text-based resources. Over time, more interactive and engaging platforms emerged, enhancing the learning experience significantly. Explore ikeskills.in for a wide range of live online programming courses. Take the first step toward a rewarding career today. Visit our website, www.ictskills.in, or call us at 9499569596. Thank you.